In this brief video, we'll discuss how you can get free information on welding schools. Now, the training programs that are available fall basically into three categories. First, there's the diploma and certificate program, and it's generally offered by trade and technical schools and takes about a year to complete. They're more hands-on training in nature, designed primarily to develop welding skills. Now, they can provide a good foundation for a new journeyman or apprentice welder, or specialized skills for experienced welders. Next is the associate degree program, which takes about 2 years to complete and are usually offered by community colleges. An associate degree in welding technology provides a more extensive education than the diploma or the certificate, while still providing the foundation to prepare students to enter the workforce. Next is the bachelor degree, and it's available in welding technology or welding engineering, but it's more advanced than most journeyman welders will need to enter the workforce. Now, keep in mind, some programs are offered in conjunction with an apprenticeship program. Now, some of the questions to ask welding schools are, first of all, is their program accredited? Now, accreditation is important to help ensure that the training program is of a high quality. Check to see if the program is accredited by an organization such as the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges of Technology, or ACCSCT. In addition to helping ensure the quality training, it may also be needed to qualify for a student loan or to obtain financial aid. Also, in areas or states where licensing is required, accreditation may be a prerequisite for licensing. So, in those cases, it's particularly important you make sure that accreditation has been obtained by the program that you'll be attending. Next, check to make sure that the program does prepare you for licensing. As we mentioned previously, some municipalities or even some states require licensing. So in those instances, make sure that if you will be plan on working in an area that requires licensing, make sure that the program you're attending prepares you to pass the licensing exams for that specific area. Does the school have modern facilities? It's important that you'll be training with modern, up-to-date equipment and training with equipment that you'll be working with in the field. Check with the master welder you're working with if you happen to be in an apprenticeship program. If not, you can possibly check with a local welder or perhaps a welding contractor that you may be planning to work with after graduation, and find out if they can give you some tips as to what to look for. Next, does the school and program provide apprenticeship programs? As we mentioned previously, some programs are designed to run in conjunction with or as a in partnership with an apprenticeship program. And even if not, find out if the school can help place you in an apprenticeship program either during your training or afterwards. Next, what are the graduation rates? You'll naturally want to enroll in a program that has a very high graduation rate, which is an indication that the students were satisfied with the training and completed the program. And again, the school program has a very high graduation rate. Job placement program. Does the school help place their students once they graduate? Find out if there is a job placement program, and find out what percentage of the students are able to place in jobs as new journeyman welders. Next, are the class sizes smaller? You're not going to get much hands-on training or one-on-one instruction, personal attention, if the class is very large. So find out what the size of the classes are, what the ratio is of students to instructors. Obviously the smaller the class or the smaller the ratio of students to instructor, the more personalized attention you're going to receive. And finally, find out if there are flexible class schedules or night or even weekend classes as needed. Particularly if you're going to continue working while you're receiving your welding training, you're going to need to work around your work schedule and perhaps attend night or weekend classes. So find out and make sure that the class schedule fits your schedule so that you will be able to attend all classes. Finally, if you'd like to request some free information on welding schools, you can do so right from our website. All you have to do is fill out the form and request your free information. If you're not on our website currently, just scroll down and you can find the link to our website where you can again request free, no obligation information on welding schools in your area. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your new welding career and request your free information now.